Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor website design course video series. So this is the first video of this course, and in this video we are going to install the basic free Hello Elementor theme, and we are also going to install the Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. Let me show you the default WordPress installation that I have here. So this is the default WordPress installation. Let's go to the dashboard. So first of all, you need to get the WordPress installed on your hosting server so that you can create a website using Elementor and WordPress. I'm on the dashboard of the WordPress. Let me go to the appearance and you will see the theme that I have on this website. This is the default 2025 theme that was installed while installing the WordPress application. If I go to pages, this is the default privacy policy page. And if I go to post, this is the default hello world post. Okay, let's set up a name for the website. So let's go to settings here. Here you can see the current title of the website is the URL of the WordPress installation. So I'm going to delete that and I'm going to enter the name for the website. Let's say 𝗙𝗞𝗘 Digital Marketing. So this is going to be the name of the business for which we are going to create a website. So in the site title, you can enter the name of the business. Below that, we have a tagline. If you want to add a tagline, you can add a tagline. Below that, we have choose a site icon. This is what the site icon is. At the top, you will see this small globe icon. If you want to replace this icon, then you can add your own icon there. You will see the size for the site icon is 512 by 512. It should be a square one. We will change the site icon later. Below that, we have the WordPress URL and the site address. And this is the administration email address. Then we have membership. Anyone can register. If you check this option, anyone can register on your WordPress website. If you are running a membership website or e-commerce website where people will need to log into the account and check their activities on your website, in that case, you can check this box. Anyone can register, and the default role for the new user will be subscriber. You will see different roles are there. If you do not want to create accounts for the users, then you can simply uncheck this box and user will not be able to register as a subscriber to your website. Right, then we have site language. You will see different languages for the site. Time zone is currently set to UTC 0. Date format, this is the date format, and this is the time format. So I don't think you need to make any changes here. Click Save Changes as we have changed the site title. Then we have writing. Let's go to writing. Default post category. This is going to be the category. Right now we have not created any blog post or any category for the post. So I'm going to keep it as it is. There is a category created by default that is uncategorized. Then we have default post format will be standard. And these are the settings for the mail server. We will go through these settings later. Below that, we have reading settings. We will also go through the reading settings later. Let's go to permalinks and make sure that it is set to post name, so that whenever you create a blog post or a page on your website, it is going to take the title of the page or the post as the URL. So I prefer to use this option here, post name. Now let's go to appearance and we are going to install the theme. So click on add new theme. So you will see list of themes that you can use. Elementor can be used with any theme. It is a page builder. However, you will see one theme here, that is Hello Elementor, which is the best suitable theme if you are creating a website using Elementor. So we are going to install this theme here. If you do not see this theme in this list, then you can go to search themes and enter Hello Elementor. And you will see the theme here, Hello Elementor. Click on install and click on activate. Now it says thanks for installing the Hello theme, and you will need to install the basic Elementor plugin. All right, let me go to the Elementor website here. The #1 page builder plugin for WordPress. So this is the plugin that I mostly use to create websites for my clients. And the pricing of the Elementor Pro plugin is only $59 per year for a single website. You will see all the features which are available in the Pro version. And theme builder is the most useful feature that we are going to use to create the entire website. Using theme builder, you can customize different sections of your website. For example, you can create header section, footer section, single post, blog post, and you can also create different templates. Alright, so if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. This is the only plugin that you need to create an entire website. You can create any kind of website, whether it is a business website or listings website, or you can also create e-commerce website using the single Elementor Pro plugin. I already have a video published on how to create e-commerce website using Elementor Pro plugin. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. Let's go back to the dashboard. Go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here you will see the option to search for the plugin. You can also click on install Elementor and install the basic Elementor plugin. Let me show you. You can also search for the Elementor plugin. And you will see this is the plugin, Elementor Website Builder, more than just a page builder. And you can see that it has been installed on more than 10 million WordPress websites. So this is one of the best page builder plugin that you can use to create your website. Click on install now and click on activate. All right, so you will see a setup wizard here. I'm going to skip the setup wizard. If you already have an account, you can go to account and upgrade to the pro version. Or you can log into the Elementor website and download the Elementor Pro plugin after making a purchase of the Pro plugin. So I have already downloaded the Elementor Pro plugin and I'm going to install the Elementor Pro plugin now. So if I go to plugins here, you will see we have the basic Elementor plugin installed. I'm going to click on add new plugin, click on upload plugin and browse the Elementor Pro plugin and click on install now. So now we are installing the Elementor Pro plugin. Click on activate plugin. So we have got the basic Elementor as well as the Elementor Pro plugin installed. Now let's go to pages. Go to all pages. We have one privacy policy page which is in draft, so we are not going to use it. We are going to create a new page for the website and we will name it as home page, and it will be used as the index page or the home page of the website. If you go to your website, you will see that we have the blog page as the index page of the website. You will see one blog post is there. So whenever you install the WordPress on your website, the default index page will be the list of blog posts on your website. So we are going to create a home page and we will assign that as the main page of the website. So let's go to pages, click on add new page and name it as home. Click on publish, click publish. All right. If you click this icon, it will go back to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we have the home page here. Now we need to assign this as the main page. So let's go to settings and click on reading. Okay, now under reading, you will see your home page displays. Here you need to select a static page. Click on the drop down and select home. So this is going to be the index page of your website. Click on save changes. Later we are going to create the blog page and we will assign that as the main page where all the blog posts will be shown. Now in the next video, we are going to create the header section for the website.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.